I had the most wonderful day today, and I couldn't let it end without doing this video on my new pop-on veneers. As you can see, I don't have them on now, but I'm going to actually show you how wonderful my mouth and my face look once I put them in. I was happy, I'm satisfied, very elated today, and I chose today because I did a video shoot today, and I had a little a makeover on my face, and once I popped in my pop-on veneers, it completed my entire look. So I wanted to go on and show you guys how wonderful the veneers are and how beautiful they make your mouth look. I'm going to put in my top ones. They snap right in. And I'm going to now put in the bottom ones. They easy. And voila. Absolutely beautiful. They fit like a glove, and I love them. You can eat in them, although I haven't eaten in them yet, but you can eat in them, and I recommend them should you want to have a happy, bright, healthy look. Bye-bye.